Here are a few quick issues, mistakes, errors that should be avoided in your demolition business so that way you can achieve rapid success. Here are a few that you guys should avoid. Number one is neglecting online presence. So many of you guys in the demolition space, it's sad because I love this business, I love this industry, is that you guys either have no website, your website's old school, you're not, doing much on the internet, maybe you're on Facebook with it, maybe you have an Instagram, that kind of thing. Really, a lot of the time, from our experience, which is tried and true, and we've been doing this for years, people are going to eventually go to a website. They're going to make a buying decision based on your Google My Business, your reviews, things of that nature. And they're going to want to do a call or a form fill. They're hardly ever going to show up to some demolition office or demolition space and say, hey, can you guys help me with this project? So make sure that you're online so they can call and email you easily. Number two is ignoring SEO best practices. So search engine optimization is essential for improving online visibility and attracting more organic eyes and ears to your firm's website. So a lot of you guys really need to do something with your search engine optimization because it's not that great. It's decent at best, but frankly, a lot of the time it is horrible. You need to get some nerds like my team and myself to be able to take care of your SEO and really get it to the level that it deserves to be. Number three is lack of targeted marketing. You guys are usually just used to going through and doing your networking and talking to the people in your space, getting with the GCs and developers and homeowners and things like that. But you're failing this massive bucket of opportunity, which is able to be found online when people don't know who to go through for demolition. They don't have contacts in the space, and they're simply going on the internet and they're typing in demolition services near me, Atlanta demolition, that kind of thing. And they're trying to find who can do the job for them. Number four is poor customer service. You guys really need to get better at picking up the phones. I promise you, that is a huge thing. It is also important that you have the right people picking up the phone or a phone tree, something of that nature. This has to go through. It has to be something too on the back end of once you get an opportunity coming through the door that you have good people and good processes to keep those opportunities truly as opportunities and don't lose them all over the place, dropping them left, right, and center. Number five, understanding safety protocols. You guys know that safety is so key in the industry. It's something that is paramount to make sure that people are coming back to work every day, that you guys are not getting bad news all over the place about losing team members on work. It's not good to cut corners. It's never been. It's something that can lead to injuries and accidents. Of course, it will be a legal issue in certain cases. We don't want your firms to go down. We don't want your reputations to be tarnished. So all of this together, you have to be on top of your equipment maintenance, your safety training, and be in compliance with what's in your backyard from regulations and governance. Number six is overlooking innovation and technology. We have talked about this before where, essentially the big old guys, that's how they do it. It's the old boys club. You got the boots on, they're up on the desk, you got your nice big truck, but you guys are going to get your whole lunch. I mean, I've seen it time and time again. You're getting your lunch eaten by little guys. And the reason is because they're scrappy and they're using the internet. They're using tablets. They're making sure that they have really good software for the engineering. And all of this kind of comes together and to a head when you guys are just kind of sitting there doing what you've done, but times are different. You may not realize that your numbers may look okay or good, but you're missing so much opportunity that you don't even realize is there and available. Big jobs, medium jobs, small jobs, they're all coming on the internet. They're not always on the boards. There's a lot of stuff that's just hidden, but it's in plain sight. And my team over at Demolition Marketing Leads know how to siphon those and bring them directly to your demolition company on a silver plate. So hopefully some of these gave some ideas on the missteps in the demolition world and how you guys can kind of keep an eye on that so you could do better in the business.